What's up, guys? Early in the morning, I just woke up. Saturday, March 3rd, 2012. Well, we can't say that March 2nd was a non-event day because it wasn't what I was expecting, but tragic loss. We watched it all day on Blog TV. We watched the mainstream coverage of one of the biggest tornado outbreaks I'll make a better video later. I just want to say that my thoughts are with the people who were in the damage path. My thoughts are with the people who have lost everything. Waking up this morning to towns completely wiped off the map. I just don't have any words. Is it 2012? Is it HARP? I don't know. I know that it's not normal. At least 28 killed in Friday's outbreak. That's what CNN is reporting right now. I don't have any words. My thoughts are with the people.